One of the confusions that students encounter in electrolysis is the inability to understand electrochemical series. Let us focus on electrochemical series of metals first. These are neutral atoms, and from the periodic chemistry, you understand that the most electropositive is potassium, followed by sodium, and the least is gold. So here, this is the arrangement in order of decreasing ability to lose electron. Ability to lose electron means electropositivity. So potassium has the greatest tendency to let go of electron, followed by sodium, and the least is gold. Gold is so reluctant to lose its electron. So the arrow here shows the decrease in the ability to lose electron. Now, when the electron is finally lost, depending on the number, the element, when potassium finally loses the electron, it becomes K+. Remember, potassium has the greatest tendency to lose electron. And when gold, that is so reluctant to lose electron, finally loses it, it becomes Au+. Now, when they finally become ions, certain things change. Now, if potassium loses electron, and it has the greatest tendency to lose it, which means it also has the greatest tendency, the greatest ability to remain positive. But since gold is very sluggish to lose electron, it will have the least ability to remain positive, because this gold is now eager to lose the electron and return to its stable form. So this arrow here shows increase in ability to accept lost electron. The lost electron now, the ability to accept it increases down the group. Why? Potassium being the greatest in electropositivity, potassium has the greatest eagerness to lose electron. So it cannot have the greatest eagerness to reaccept that lost electron. The one that has it is now gold, which means why we have decrease in ability to lose electron here. Here is increase in ability to reaccept the lost electron. It's just like this man. Let's liken this gold as a man who is so stingy to give out money. The money likened to electron. Now, when the stingy man had reluctantly given out the money, this stingy man is also able to accept, is not reluctant to accept the lost money. It's in fact, when the man gives you money and you give it back to him, he will speedily accept it. So that is what gold is. When gold becomes ion, it now becomes extremely electronegative, no longer electropositive. But when potassium becomes ion, although it can accept that electron back, but it will reluctantly accept it, since potassium here is the most eager to lose electron. Potassium ion must be the most reluctant to accept the lost electron. So the metallic ions behave differently. They behave like non-metals in electrochemical cell. But the least metallic becomes the most non-metallic or the most electronegative. Example is gold. That is why if these ions are found in a container of water and electricity is connected, gold is the most likely to move to cathode and accept electron when compared to others. Gold becomes the most reactive in aqueous medium when electricity is connected. Why here, gold is the least reactive.